Hi guys, welcome to a vlog. I haven't vlogged in a while, so I thought I would chit chat with you guys. I'm wearing a middle part. I don't know if anybody's noticed. Let me know what you think. You like the middle part better or the side part? I don't know. I'm gonna get some blonde in my roots pretty soon. As you can see, I still have some pieces that go up, but it's definitely grown a good bit since I got it cut, and it's been about 2 months, so it's time to go back. I got an early Valentine's Day present. So these are from Charmed Aroma. I initially saw this one. I was like, oh my God, I love it. I will say, if you're interested in these, hold on, let me turn on a light. If you are interested in these for yourself, just a note that this is like different colors. Like it's not perfect, and like on the little wing of the snitch, like the color is not quite right. You just screw these in, and I really like it. I don't know why they didn't do the coloring right. And then this is the egg, of course, Try Wizard Clue. So from Charmed Aroma, they're a little bit expensive, but I'm really excited. They have the jewelry inside, and I'm gonna light the egg. We already trimmed the wick. I didn't notice that was a little owl face. All right, so this is my candle. This is the Try Wizard egg that I showed you guys that I got. I think that's the only vlog clip I've done. I'm so sorry. So this one's like floral, kind of a little like floral fruity. It's very strong if you like strong candles. So I'm gonna use this little thingamabobber. So I think there's only one option for this, which is like a Try Wizard egg necklace, but they have a lot of other candles if you guys are interested in Harry Potter candles that have different jewelry, so it's more of a surprise. Oh, this is all over my hands. So this is your little egg. I think it opens, right? It
should open up.
Hi guys, we're doing a little shopping today. I did a iced mocha, but I added raspberry, like half the mocha and then raspberry. It's so good. We went to Bath & Body Works. Babe got me some stiffs. So we're going to Marshall's and HomeGoods now, then Michael's. We're gonna look at some resin stuff and go to Target, and unfortunately need to get some groceries, and I hate grocery shopping, but we'll get it done. So we'll take you guys with us. We're back at it. Here stuffs. Now we're going to Michael's. So we're looking at resin stuff, but I think I'm gonna order it online because I don't have the molds that I want. And yeah, so there's like 2 things they don't have in stock. So I'm just gonna order some stuff online, but I want to try my hand at some resin stuff. And also look at this cute little bathtub. Oh shit, $19.99. I thought it said $10.99. It's 40% off. Got all this spring stuff. Somebody's going overboard. Hey guys, oh, let me move these up. I always have them on and then it's like I see the glare. So I know I have not been doing vlogs. I've seen a few comments, not a lot, but a few comments saying that they're missing them. So I decided to vlog a little bit. As you guys saw, I did some shopping clips, and the other clips are from like early to mid February of my candles that I got for Valentine's Day. But I've just been in a very hermit-like mindset, and I've also been having like a lot of sleep problems. So I've been kind of like a zombie for a few weeks, and I don't know why it is, but I'm sleeping for like 3 hours, 4 hours, and then I wake up tired, but I can't sleep, and then I'll go back to sleep and nap for like 4 or 5 hours, and it's it's a mess. So today I woke up at 7 and I was like, okay, I feel pretty rested. And then I made some breakfast at like 10 something and passed out at like 10:30. No, I ate about 10:30, and around 11:15 I was like not able to continue doing anything. I don't know what's wrong with me. So anyway, I'm trying to get back into the swing of like regular stuff. So I thought I would show you guys a couple packages that I got, and then also what I bought at TJ Maxx, or I actually went to Marshall's Home Goods. Yeah, so let me show you. So first I got a package from Facery. I do have a code with them. I always forget it, but it is linked below. They sent me a bunch of face masks, also this headband, which I already have one of these, so I'll give this to somebody or in a giveaway or something. But this cup is super cute. It says just keep glowing. It's got all these little sparkle looking things, and it says Facery, and it's pink, and it's super, super cute. I love it. And this counter is a mess. Oh, the hoodie I'm wearing, $20. I'll show you all the rest of that in a second. But I've gotten a few packages. I think I shared most of these on my Instagram stories, but Complex Culture sent me their concealer. You got the Ulla Henriksen Sea Rush Brightening Gel Cream. Oh yes, my non-focusing camera. It's been a while. I got these today. These I got from Fresh and Octoly, so I'm going to review these. Derma E has been really, oh shoot! Oh, almost dropped that. Hip Dot sent me some palettes and the sponge, but Derma E has been hooking me up. I've gotten so many things from them lately. I'm very excited. I've been trying the hair stuff and I love it. I also got my Boxy pop-up. I think I did 2 or 3 orders because I can't just be normal, but I got Direct Flight. I got this Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer and this Volition Screen Time Hydra Mist. I got this cute, I was actually looking for the resin stuff, but they were out of a bunch of it, like I said, so I'm gonna order it online. But this little bathtub was 40% off, and it's just like a little thing. I love clawfoot tubs. Like, I wish I could have this in life size. And I placed a big old House of Lashes order, and they had discounts. They had a free lash with the order, so I got the Make Wave set that came with 3 of these mini lashes. I got the Lash Essentials, and then I got the mystery bag, and then I got a free lash, which Natalia was the free lash. But I've been loving them. Like, now that I've actually really truly given House of Lashes a try, they are my favorite, and I've been wearing the lashes nonstop. I really like them. All right, this is probably horrible lighting, but whatever. Sally jumped up in the chair that this camera's sitting on because I'm too lazy to get my tripod. So anyway, I got this from TJ Maxx, this Gudetama hoodie, and it's so cute. It has all the Gudetamas on the side. This was 20 bucks. It says Gudetama on the other arm. I also bought this little green, just kind of like a t-shirt dress, and I wore it after we got home because I was burning up. It actually was pretty warm here, and I dripped garlic butter on my dress like the day that it's cute. It's kind of plain though. I also got this dress, which you can't try anything on, and I knew this was kind of iffy for the sizing, so I don't know. I may take this back, but it's really cute. It's like this little dress. I just thought this would be super cute and comfy to wear around the house and cute for filming, because that's honestly what I'm doing. I'm really not going places, you guys. Like, if I can avoid it, I don't go. I also got some of my cheap makeup wipes. I use these for like when I'm doing swatches, things like that. I don't remove my makeup with them, but I like these BC ones. The coconut are my favorite. They're decent. Like, I use them to clean off when I'm doing makeup, when I have like makeup on my hand, when I'm swatching, whatever. Zach saw this and wanted to try it, so we got this. This is from Vital Proteins. It was on clearance and it's good until March of next year. This is their Blueberry Moon Milk Collagen Latte, and it has coconut milk powder, and it has melatonin, GABA, and magnesium. So I've been taking magnesium supplements, and I've been taking my supplements at night. I don't know if it's doing anything. I haven't been able to sleep, so I don't know if it does anything or not. But yeah, we're gonna try this. I've never tried this, but I've been using my collagen supplements from Vital Proteins. I love theirs. I feel like it just works better for me. I also got this little shirt, which I thought was cute. I was like, oh, I don't need it. It was only $7.99, and Zach was like, just get it. Which I just thought was cute. I don't know. It says forever, and then it says always dreaming. I just thought it was cute. I don't know. I can't really put a finger on why I like this so much. I just did. And then I got these palettes. Hey, from Lime Crime. These were like brand new. When you can find stuff at TJ Maxx and Marshalls that is like makeup that's not open and used, it's a bloody miracle half the time. I feel like they must have just put this stuff out. I don't know how it wasn't ruined. But a couple of palettes, and these are still ones that you can purchase. I looked up the prices. I think this one was $24.99, and I think you can buy it for $58 is like the retail price. This one's $12.99 at Marshall's, and I think when I looked it up it was 30 something, maybe like 35, 38. So I felt like they were good enough deals to pick up. So this is the Prelude. I love their packaging. I think it's really cool. It's more natural, neutral colors, which I have not been buying at all, but I really like the Venus one I have. It's an XL too, but I can't remember which one. And this one is just the Venus XL. I don't have this right. It's so pretty. It's got all these pinks and mauves, little like coral looking. I feel like this is so freaking pretty. So I just got these on a whim, but I'm happy that I did. We went to Bath & Body Works. I had a coupon for 20% off. Candles were $10 off, which is, okay, I mean, it's a deal. I wouldn't buy candles for any more than that from Bath & Body Works. She's the tiniest cat and the loudest cat. I was going to get 2 or 3 candles. I really wanted to smell all of their like spring ones. And then I wanted to get hand soaps, because right now like we have hand soap in the bathroom, and in the kitchen. So 3 out there, and then the last that I have of anything. So anyway, I was like, let me get some soaps. Maybe I'll get a couple candles, but and I was like, that's it, because I really didn't need to spend a lot of money. But Zach was like, oh, just get that. Oh, just get more. And I was like, okay, well, I'll get 4 hand soaps. That's 20. He's like, oh, get 6. Get 2 more. It's just $6 more. And like, put all these candles in the bag. And then he paid for everything at Bath & Body Works. So I was like, okay, score. So I got some hand soaps. So we got What's Shakin'. This is cookies and cream milkshake. This sounds good. I got a raspberry tangerine. I got 2 of these because I think I'm gonna love it. This is the Treat Yourself blueberry glazed donut. This just sounds amazing. I had another blueberry scone or something one, and I loved it a lot. And then I got coconut cream pie. And then also the Gentle and Clean Pink Strawberry. These looked really interesting. There was something about these that I read. Oh, no sulfates, dyes, or parabens in these. So I hope that they come out with more scents. Like, I actually think like, if possible, make all of them like this. But they don't have a lot of scents that I like in these. So I just tried this one. And then the candles were good. These are good candles. So I got whipped coffee. Oh, that just smells amazing. It smells like light. It says it's espresso, sweet cream, sugar, and essential oils. I got one of the pineapple pancakes. I should have gotten 2 of this one. I thought that wild berry jam donut was my favorite, but this one may be my favorite. I should have got 2 of this one. But this one is fresh pineapple, fluffy pancakes, sweet banana slices, and brown sugar. Oh my god. But once again, it's super cute. And I love the little design. If you can see, this like a stack of pancakes. And then on the first one, you've got like little coffee kettle, coffee cups, coffee beans. Like, it's so cute. I love the design of these. It's kind of simple, but very cute at the same time. I got wild berry jam donuts. So I got 2 of these. Oh, okay, maybe this is my favorite. This one's got little donuts, little like cream bag things, whatever, you guys know what I'm talking about. Like these things. Super cute. This one's sweet wild berry jam, a powdered donut, brown sugar crumble. I wish they would bring back campfire donut or something that smells like that, but I'll take anything donut. I got, this one is lemon cake pop. And of course, look how cute. Oh, this is more lemony. Like when you first smell it, it hits you with the lemon and then you smell all the sweetness. I don't know, I love these candles. Like I have not been buying a lot of candles. You guys know I have too many. So I've been like, okay, I'm not gonna buy any, and then every now and then I'll go and stock up on a few and that's it. But these are so good. Like these are scents that I probably wanna get backups of because it's probably my luck and they'll be my favorites, and then they'll be the ones that never come back. And then I got iced blueberry biscotti. Oh, this one's a little bit more like fruity, but you still smell the sweetness, and it says it's sugared blueberry, sweet vanilla icing, almond biscotti, and brown sugar. Oh, I didn't tell you guys. On the cake pop, it's fresh citrus glaze, vanilla cake pop, and sugar crystals. So all of these have like a very sugary scent to them. Those are the kind of candles that I like. So I may have to get more of these. Anyway, so he got me all that. Very sweet. I was not expecting that. Like I was gonna go in and try to be cheap, you know, and not get a lot, but hey, I mean, we both enjoy all of this, so it's not just for me, but still very sweet, and I'm exhausted now. Like my energy level is just so low. So at any rate, I also got, which I don't think I've really said, I got the new Apple Watch. I think it's the newest one, the Series 6 or 6 series or whatever. He got me this for Valentine's Day, which I was like, this is way too much. Like, this is way too expensive a gift. Valentine's Day to me is like a silly, you know, maybe get something cute, but like, it doesn't have to be that serious. But he's been wanting to get me one. I actually have an Apple Watch, and he's actually been using it because I was like, you know what? I was using it mostly for when I was working at Sephora, because for a long time we weren't supposed to have our cell phones. So my watch gave me like access just in case, and he liked for me to have it, you know. But after I stopped working and we moved, I was like, just you use my Apple Watch, because he's been thinking about getting one but didn't think he really wanted it. Well, he really loves it, so he probably needs to like upgrade his as well. But he wanted me to have the new one. I talked about how I thought it was really cool that you can do like the it's got like the O2 sensor, and so you can check that, your heart rate. You can do an ECG. Is it ECG that it is? I think so. So you can do a lot with this watch, so it's cool. But anyway, yeah, definitely overboard. I didn't need this, but it's very nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Pretty much just Valentine's Day gifts, shopping, me talking way too much, and a haul. So I hope you guys are doing great. Thank you for hanging with me, and I will see you guys in my next one. Tina wanted to say hello, baby. Can you give me? You're so pretty. You wanna say bye-bye? You wanna say bye? Bye-bye.